Hello students, in today's lecture we will solve some practice questions based on oscillations. Part 2. In today's lecture we will solve practice question from 11 to 20. Clear? Disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question 11 topic is oscillation. Clear? So, question is two particles A and B are oscillating about a point O along a column line such that equation of A is given as this: x1 is equal to A cos omega t, and equation of B is given as x2 equal to B sin omega t plus pi by 2. Clear? So there is two equation, x1 is this and x2 is this. Then the motion of A with respect to B is what? Clear? So here question asked about the motion of A with respect to B. Clear? The given options, option A is a simple harmonic motion with amplitude A minus B. Option B, a simple harmonic motion with amplitude A plus B. Option C, a simple harmonic motion with amplitude under root A square plus B square. Option D, not a simple harmonic motion but oscillatory motion. Clear? So, which option is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find the solution. Clear? So, two particles A and B are oscillating about a point O according to question. Equations is x1 is this and x2 is this. Clear? So, the displacement of A relative to B is x equal to x1 minus x2. Clear? This is the displacement of A relative to B. Next, putting the value of x1 and x2 in this expression, where x1 is A cos omega t and x2 is B sin omega t plus pi by 2. Clear? So, equation becomes x equal to A cos omega t minus B sin omega t plus pi by 2. Clear? So x equal to A cos omega t minus B cos omega t, and take to common cos omega t, then equation becomes x equal to A minus B cos omega t. Clear? Which is a simple harmonic motion with amplitude A minus B. Clear? This is the amplitude. So correct answer is A. A is the correct answer. Clear? This one is correct. Next question, question 12 is two particles execute simple harmonic motion on a same straight line with same mean position. Clear? Same time period, which is 6 seconds, and same amplitude 5 centimeter. Both the particles start SHM from their mean position in same direction with time gap 1 second. So, find the maximum separation between the two particles during their motion. So, in this question, question asked about the maximum separation between the two particles during the motion. So option A is 2 centimeter, option B 3 centimeter, option C 4 centimeter, and option D 5 centimeter. So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution. So we know the formula of phase difference where phi equal to omega t. Clear? Phi equal to omega t. And given quantities put in this expression. 2 pi divided by 6 multiplied by 1. Clear? The time gap is 1 second. So phi becomes pi by 3 radian. Clear? The maximum separation between two particles is, to suppose the two particles is this, particles P and particles Q. Clear? And maximum separation is X max. This is the maximum separation. Clear? So X max is equal to 2a sine pi by 6. This is the S max is the maximum separation is 2a sine pi by pi by 6. Clear? And putting the given quantities in this expression, you will be get X max is equal to 2 into 5 multiply by 1 by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? So correct answer is D. D is the correct answer. This one is the correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 13 is a particle is acted simultaneously by mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motion. Clear? Simultaneously by mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motion where x equal to this a cos omega t and y equal to a sin omega t. Clear? The trajectory of motion of particle will be what? So here question asked about the trajectory of motion of the particle. So given options is option A is an ellipse, option B an parabola, option C an circle, a circle, and option D a straight line. So which option is correct? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution. So according to question, particle is acted simultaneously by mutually perpendicular simple harmonic motion where x is equal to a cos omega t and y equal to a sin omega t. Clear? And trajectory of motion is, suppose given x equal to this a cos omega t, let this is equation first, and y equal to this is y, small y. Clear? And y equal to a sin omega t, let this is equation 2. Clear? This is equation first and this is equation second. So squaring and adding equation first and second, we get x square plus y square is equal to a square cos square omega t plus sin square omega t. Clear? So we know cos square omega t plus sin square omega t is equal to 1. This is the trigonometry formula. Clear? So equation becomes x square plus y square is equal to a. Clear? And this equation is the equation of circle. Clear? Equation of a circle. This is the equation of circle. So clearly the locus is a circle of a constant radius alpha, or we can say a. Clear? A. So this is the C is the correct answer. Clear? C is the correct answer. Clear? C is the correct. This one, a circle. Clear? Next question, question 14. A silver atom in a solid oscillates in simple harmonic motion in some direction with frequency this 10 raised to the power 12 per second. What is the force constant of the bonds connecting one atom with the other? Take molecular weight of silver is equal to 108 and Avogadro number is this 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram per mole. Clear? This is JEE Main 2018 question. So which option is correct? Option A is 6.4 Newton per meter. Option B 7.1 Newton per meter. Option C 2.2 Newton per meter. And option D 5.5 Newton per meter. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution. So this is given frequency 10 raised to the power 12 per second. For a harmonic oscillator, T equal to 2 pi under root m divided by k. Clear? This is the time period for the harmonic oscillator, where m is the mass, k is spring constant. Clear? Or we can say force constant. So T equal to 1 divided by V. Clear? Or we can say mu. Clear? This is the frequency. So k equal to 4 pi square V square m. Putting all given terms in this expression, you will be get k equal to 4 multiplied by pi by 7 whole square and V is 10 and 10 raised to the power 12 whole square multiply 108 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 3 divided by Avogadro number. Clear? When you solve this expression, you will be get a result, and that result is 7.1 Newton per meter. Clear? K equal to 7.1 Newton per meter. So this is the correct answer. Clear? B option is correct. This one is correct. Next question. Question 15. Question 15 is, if a spring of stiffness K is cut into two parts, A and B, of length LA ratio LB is equal to 2 ratio 3, then the stiffness of spring A is given by what? Option A 5 by 2K, option B 3K by 5, option C 2K by 5, and option D K. Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So a spring of stiffness K is cut into two parts A and B. Of length ratio is this 2 ratio 3. And stiffness of a spring A is calculated by using this concept. K is directly proportional to 1 by L. Clear? This one. So Ka divided by Kb is equal to Lb divided by La. Clear? This is the ratio formula. So put given quantities in this expression, you will be get Ka is equal to La plus Lb multiply by K divided by La. So Ka becomes 5 by 2K. Clear? So stiffness of a spring A is 5 by 2K. So correct answer is A, 5 by 2K. Clear? Next question, question 16 is, two springs of force constant K1 and K2 are connected to a mass m as shown. This there is a two spring. This is spring K1 and this is spring K2. Both spring K1 and spring K2 are connected with a mass m. Clear? So the frequency of oscillation of mass is V if K1 and K2 are made 4 times their original values. The frequency of oscillation becomes what? So here question asked about the frequency of oscillation. Clear? So given options is option A is V by 2, option B V by 4, and option C 4V. This is not V, this is mu in terms of frequency, and option D 2V. Clear? So which option is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution. So two springs, constants K1 and K2. This is K1 and this is K2. Clear? And connected with mass m according to question. Clear? So we know that V equal to 1 upon 2 pi is equal to under root K1 plus K2 divided by m. Clear? Where K1 and K2 are made 4 times their original value. Clear? K1 and K2 are made 4 times their original value. Then V prime is equal to 1 upon 2 pi divided multiply by 2 under root K1 plus K2 divided by m. Clear? So where this quantity, this one and this one have equal to this V. So V prime is equal to 2V. Clear? So correct answer is D. This one is correct answer. Clear? Next question. Question 17. Two springs of force constant K and 2K. There is a two springs. The force constant is K. This spring having force constant K. This spring having force constant 2K are connected to a mass. Connected to a mass. Mass is M as shown below. Clear? The frequency of oscillation of the mass is what? So here question asked about the frequency of oscillation of the mass. Clear? Given options is option A is 1 upon 2 pi under root k by m. Option B is 1 upon 2 pi under root 2k by m. Option C 1 upon 2 pi under root 3k by m. And option D 1 upon 2 pi under root m by k. So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find the solution. So according to question, spring force constant K and 2K connected to a mass M. This is K and this is 2K connected with mass M. So the effective spring constant K is K plus 2K. Clear? This is a effective spring constant which is equal after adding both K and 2K is equal to 3K. And the time period of oscillation is given by, this is the time period of oscillation, T equal to 2 pi under root M by 3K. Clear? This is the time period. And frequency is equal to 1 by T, where T is the time period. Clear? So after putting the value of T in this expression, we get V equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 3K by M. Clear? So this is the final answer. Clear? This is the final answer. C option is correct. Clear? C option is correct. This one is correct. Clear? 1 upon 2 pi under root 3K by M. This is the correct answer. Next question, question 18. A block P, this is a block P, mass M, and mass of this block P is M, is placed on a horizontal frictionless plane. This plane is a frictionless. A second block Q, this one, of same mass M, both masses are same. M is placed on it and it is connected to a spring of spring constant K, this one. The two blocks are pulled by a distance A. Block Q oscillates without slipping with a maximum value of frictional force between the two blocks. Clear? So, which option is correct? Option A is Ka by 2, option B Ka, option C mu minus mg, and option D 0. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find the solution. So, according to question, a block P and block Q both having mass m and connected with a spring, and spring constant is K. Clear? So, angular frequency of the system omega is equal to K divided by m plus m. Clear? This one is the angular frequency, which is equal to under root K divided by 2m. And maximum acceleration of the system will be omega square A, or we can say Ka divided by 2m. So this acceleration of the lower block is provided by friction. Hence F max is equal to ma max, which is equal to m omega square A, where A is amplitude. So solving this term, we will be get Ka divided by 2a. Clear? So this is the final answer. Clear? Ka divided by 2. This one is correct. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 19. This one. A particle of mass m is attached to a three springs A, B, C. This is three springs. Spring A, spring B, and spring C. Attached a mass m. Clear? Having equal force constant K. If the particle is pushed a little towards any one of the spring and then left on its own, find the time period of its oscillation. Clear? So in this question, ask about the time period of the oscillation. The given options, option A is 2 pi under root m by k, option B 2 pi under root 2m by k, option C 2 pi under root m by 2k, option D 2 pi under root m by 3k. So which option is correct? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution. So this is a diagram where are three springs A, B, C having spring constant K connected with a mass M with making angle between A and B is 120 degree. So when mass M is pushed in downward direction through a distance x, the effective restoring force in magnitude is this F equal to kx plus kx cos theta cos 60 degree plus kx cos 60 degree. Clear? So which is equal to 2kx after solving 2kx. Clear? So spring constant factor k prime is equal to 2k and inertia factor is m. So time period is equal to 2 pi under root m divided by 2k. Clear? So this is the time period factor. So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. This one. 2 pi under root m divided by 2k. 2 pi under root m divided by 2k. Clear? Next question. Question 20. This one. A body performs SHM, simple harmonic motion. Its kinetic energy K varies with time. Clear? T, as indicated in this graph. This one, and this one. Clear? So, which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide the solution of this question. Clear? Let's find a solution of this question. So, the frequency of kinetic energy is twice that of particle executive SHM. Clear? We know the formula of kinetic energy because here the graph have a between kinetic energy and time period. Clear? So kinetic energy equal to half mv square. Clear? And v equal to omega under root a square minus x square. Clear? If the motion is SHM. For maximum velocity, v equal to a omega. Clear? V equal to a omega, which is positive. That's why kinetic energy should be positive. So in this graph, kinetic energy is negative. In this graph, kinetic energy is negative. In this, kinetic energy is constant. So this one is correct. Clear? Because in this graph, kinetic energy is positive. Clear? This one is correct. So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. Clear? This one is correct. Clear? Now summary. First is relative motion is x equal to x1 minus x2. Then maximum separation is phi equal to omega t, which is 2 pi multiplied by t. And trajectory of SHM is, this is the equation of circle. And force constant from frequency. And effective spring constant when cutting springs. And frequency of mass spring system V equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k effective divided by m. Maximum frictional force F max is equal to ma max. Clear? And time period of oscillation, which is equal to t equal to 2 pi multiplied by under root m divided by k effective. Clear? So using these formulas, we learned the questions of the today's lecture. Clear? This is the main formulas: relative motion, maximum separation, trajectory of SHM, force constant from frequency, effective spring constant when cutting spring, frequency of mass spring system, maximum frictional force, and time period of oscillations. Clear? So this is the important formulas. Clear? Thank you.